up, everybody? So how do you wash your bike? So I got the soap all over it. You use your pure water system. That's right. So you just turn it over here and let that water rinse off of here, spotless free. That's what I'm talking about. What's up, everybody? That is right. I got a Harley Davidson for my first bike. Look at his shoes. Everybody's shoes are everywhere. Got my boots here ready to ride. Let's go over and take a look. Whoops. One of our chairs fell over. Oops. Gotta take you guys with me. All right. So I got the Harley Sportster over here, which is nice. I have this jam packed in here. This mower right here is fantastic. If you haven't seen the review, I want to go take a look at it. It's all battery powered by Ryobi. It's fantastic. It's got self-propelled on there. A little more on the expensive side, but this is a Harley Davidson. Take a look, see how beautiful this thing is. Absolutely amazing, beautiful. Just enjoy it every single day. I take it out with a couple buddies of mine. We go out and just ride in the wind. But I love this Sportster. It's absolutely amazing. It's fast off the get-go. Man, this has got some power. 70 miles an hour, no problem. 80 miles an hour, no problems. And above that, no problems either. But yeah, have a blast at it, enjoying it. I tell you what, people say there's nothing like a Harley. They're absolutely right. There is nothing like a Harley. Honestly, you guys, it's fantastic. So if you guys were thinking about getting a Harley, and you know, I would highly recommend you guys get one. It's absolutely beautiful. Looking at my tank here. But I tell you what, hard work, dedication, time management will get you what you want and what you need in life. I can tell you that much just from you know, going out and just having fun with this thing. I work like crazy hours, but I have a lot of fun, and by doing that, I'm able to come back and buy things like this. Mrs. wants some kayaks. We just bought both of these kayaks. Just having a lot of fun, you guys.